Welcome back. Good morning, good night, depending on where you are in the world. I wish you well in your journey to learn how to trade and to make profit from the markets. We are on gold, so we are going to analyze gold to see what we have for this week or for the weeks that are going to come, the 3 weeks that are left for July to finish, right? Now, if we look at this chart, this 15-minute chart, the only thing that we can think of is that we have a market structure shift, which is we break this high and we close above it. All right. So now we have this pushback, this break of structure, then we have a pullback inside of the demand, and then we push higher. This push higher, let me emphasize this a little bit more so that we can see what it is. This push higher, as we can see, we have multiple rejection here. The same way we had multiple rejections here inside of this supply. So what is happening here is that we tap into this supply. There is a level inside of this supply, which is a premium zone, which is above the fair price of this zone here of this supply, that is giving us those reactions. Now, what do we see here? We see, if we look on lower time frames, such as 5 minute or 1 minute, we are going to see that we have a new break of structure. If we start here, for example, we have this low, this high, this new low. We have this high that fails to close above the previous high. Then we have a pushback. We come back into this zone here, and then we have a market structure shift. So this is clearly showing that the premium inside of this supply is being respected. It's pushing us back, but that pushing back, as we can see, is pulling back into the previous zone. If you use ICT, you know this is the this is the uptrend. There's going to be OTE, optimum trade entry. There's going to be a 50%. If you use Fibonacci also, everything can work. But the only thing that we can be certain about is that price breaks the previous high, then it's pulling back into internal liquidity or into a new zone to give us a new break of structure. So everybody can agree that gold is for now bullish. So what we would be expecting for the next 2 weeks or for this month is that we have a pullback into something inside here, and then we have a new leg that is going to break this high. Why this high? Look here. If we look here, we have liquidity. We have some trend line liquidity here that is leading back to zones above here. So we can tap into something here for today is Tuesday. Maybe on Wednesday, tomorrow, there could be some sort of rejection or some sort of reversal. That's the word I'm looking for. Reversal that is going to come back into this zone to give us a reversal to break those highs. All right, guys. So this is what I have for you on gold. If you want more details, or if you want to learn how to analyze the market in more details, you can check the description of this video. You are going to have all the information you need to contact me to have more information. Thank you. See you on the next video.